Have you ever pondered the potential landscape of future technology? Take a moment and let your mind wander to a place where the boundaries between the digital and the physical blur. Picture a realm where the contents of your device's screen are not merely pixels, but seemingly tangible images. Envision a universe where the display of your device is so pristine, so vivid, so crisp, it almost feels like you're not looking at a screen at all, but rather a crystal clear window. The window doesn't merely show you a picture, it opens up a gateway to an entirely new dimension. Each icon, every image, all the text, they don't just appear on the screen, but they come alive, inviting you to interact, to explore, to engage. You don't merely see the display, you experience it. It immerses you, captivates you, and takes you on a journey, transforming the way you perceive technology. In this world, the frustrating days of lag and latency are relics of the past, extinct like the dinosaurs. Here, devices operate at lightning speed. Tap your screen and the response is instant. Open an app and it's ready to go before realize it. Your digital life is no longer held hostage by the shackles of buffering symbols and loading screens. Your commands are heard and executed faster than a blink of an eye. But the future isn't just about clarity of display. It's about the device that doesn't merely function, it also makes a statement. It's not just a piece of technology, it's a symbol of your identity, your style, your flair. It's about a device that stands out in the crowd, that screams, "I'm not just any gadget, I'm a piece of art." It's about a gadget that's not just powerful and fast, but also sleek and stylish. It's about a tool that doesn't just you with the digital world, but also enhances your interaction with the physical world. So get ready, take a deep breath, and brace yourself for a technology revolution. No, not just a revolution, but a transformation that will change the way you interact with technology. Welcome to the world of the Apple Vision Pro 2024. Stepping into the spotlight is the awe-inspiring display. This isn't just any ordinary display we're talking about. This is the innovative brilliance of the Apple Vision Pro 2024. A model that truly excels in delivering an unparalleled viewing experience with its ultra-high definition 8K resolution. A resolution so high, like stepping into another reality. A reality that is designed to redefine the way we perceive visual technology. We're no longer just passive viewers, we're participants, active explorers in the digital landscapes this display presents. An 8K resolution means 8,000 lines of vertical resolution, something unprecedented in the industry. A crystal clear image so intense, so vivid that you can almost reach out and touch the colors. This is not just a display, it's a portal to a world where the lines between virtual and reality blur, where every single frame is a painting, every image a breathtaking spectacle that overwhelms your senses. This is not a device that simply shows you images, doesn't just project pixels. The Apple Vision Pro 2024 immerses you in a world of images, a world full of rich and vibrant colors. Whether you're streaming the latest blockbuster, editing a cinematic masterpiece, or gaming in the most hyper-realistic virtual worlds, every pixel is meticulously crafted to provide you with the ultimate visual experience. From streaming to editing to gaming, every pixel is a masterpiece of clarity. But the magic isn't only in the visuals. The Apple Vision Pro 2024 isn't a device that solely relies on its eye-catching exterior. The real intrigue lies within, in the core features that make it a standout piece of technology. This isn't your typical gadget. It's an experience, a revolution, a new dawn in the realm of interactive touchscreen technology. The promotion technology, the heart of the Apple Vision Pro 2024, is a game changer. It's not simply an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. This advanced technology is designed to elevate your user experience to levels never seen before. But what sets promotion apart? How does it transform your interaction with the device? Imagine a winter landscape, a frozen lake as smooth as glass. You step onto the ice in your skates, and with a slight push, you glide. There's no resistance, no friction, just a sense of effortless movement. This is what promotion brings to the Apple Vision Pro 2024. Performance so smooth, so effortless, it feels like gliding on ice. But it doesn't stop there. What about lag? That pesky delay that a seamless experience into a frustrating ordeal. Promotion technology makes that a thing of the past. lag is effectively erased from your user experience, making smooth, uninterrupted multitasking not just a possibility, but a standard feature. This isn't just about speed, it's about fluidity. The Apple Vision Pro 2024 doesn't just perform tasks, it dances through them. The interface responds to your touch with immediate, seamless feedback. The device dances to the rhythm of your inputs with a smoothness that has to be experienced to be believed. Lag. It won't even make it to your vocabulary once you experience the seamless multitasking. Now let's talk style. Apple doesn't just design products, it crafts statements. Each product released is not just a mere technological device, but a testament to the creative ingenuity that defines the brand. The Vision Pro, a shining example of this process, is no exception. Its creation is a symphony of technology and artistry, a harmonious confluence of form and function. It's more than just a product, it's a bold declaration. The Vision Pro is the embodiment of sophistication, tastefully crafted by the tech world's greatest artisans. It's where advanced engineering and an unwavering commitment to design excellence converge, creating a product as aesthetically pleasing as it is technologically groundbreaking. The Vision Pro is characterized by its slim bezels, a testament to Apple's minimalist design aesthetics. These slim bezels are not just for show, they make for a sleek and modern design that is unparalleled in tech landscape. They provide a spacious and immersive visual experience, making the Vision Pro the perfect canvas for your creative pursuits. The premium build quality is another feature that sets the Vision Pro apart. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good in your hands, about durability. It's about creating a device that not only lasts but maintains its looks over time. Apple has once again surpassed expectations,
for more videos,
effortlessly combining design and durability to create a product that truly stands out. Beyond the bezels and build quality, there's a deeper meaning behind the Vision Pro. It's not merely a device, it's a symbol, a representation of your unique taste and forward-thinking mindset. Owning a Vision Pro is a statement that transcends technology. It tells the world that you're not just keeping up with the times, but rather, you're dictating the pace, setting the trends, and truly ahead of the curve. This isn't just a device. It's a piece of art that tells the world you're ahead of the curve. Underneath its stylish exterior, the Vision Pro 2024 houses the latest A-series chip. This compact and sleek device serves as the epitome of cutting-edge technology with its modern design and technologically advanced features. More than just a pretty face, it's engineered to deliver an unrivaled user experience that surpasses your expectations. The Vision Pro 2024 is not just a device, it's an experience, an extension of your capabilities. At its heart lies the latest A-series chip, a marvel of engineering that perfectly balances power and efficiency. This chip is the result of years of relentless innovation, designed by some of the best minds in the field. Its power is evident in the way it executes tasks, effortlessly slicing through demanding applications to deliver a seamless performance. But what does this mean for you? It signifies lightning-fast performance. It means your device can handle heavy processing tasks, run advanced applications, and multitask without breaking a sweat. It takes your productivity and creativity to new heights and lets you push the boundaries of what's possible. It's not just about performance, though. It's about efficiency as well. This chip is energy efficient. It consumes less power without compromising on performance. This means you can work, play, create, and explore longer without worrying about your battery life. The Vision Pro 2024 is designed to help you stay powered up all day, enabling you to get the most out of every charge. So remember, underneath that stylish exterior lies more than just a device. It's a powerful, efficient tool that's ready to take on the day with you. And it's all thanks to the latest A-series chip that keeps you powered up all day. And for those already in the Apple family, the Vision Pro 2024 is the perfect addition. It integrates seamlessly with your other devices, making connectivity and productivity more effortless than ever. So, why consider the Apple Vision Pro 2024? It's more than just a device, it's an experience. Whether you're a creative professional, a gaming enthusiast, or a tech aficionado, the Vision Pro 2024 offers something for everyone. But don't just take our word for it. Experience it and find out why the Apple Vision Pro 2024 will make you question how you ever lived without it. That's all for today's tech exploration. If you enjoyed this journey and want to stay updated with the latest in tech, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay curious, stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video.